Intraday volume for HNT stays at 6134484, which is very important from a realistic point of view. Helium's EMA 10 usually shows a really downward trend in a subtle way. Helium has a medium-term obstacle at $5.02, which is a big deal, and the HNT support floor is currently $4.27, or so they thought. 0 to 2 July 2023. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to figure out how much helium will cost now or in the next week. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important facts. What is the real short-term price assumption for helium? HNT is a very smart project that has a lot of helium support and resistance levels. However, before we get too deep into the HNT technical analysis, we should talk about the current economy, which is very important. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total amount of cryptographic money on the market to $1,195,618,172, which is a very large amount. The total amount of cryptographic money traded in the real world remains at $2,476,597,794. Helium has a medium-term barrier at $5.02, which is really important. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a really significant manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19, showing that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the HNT specialized investigation by and large. Let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours, showing how HNT's really intraday volume especially remains at 6,134,484 in an unpretentious manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97. Within a similar time span and a sort of significant manner, XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.54 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the HNT specialized examination in a real sense, let us really discuss the truly current economic situations sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, after losing 0.77 in value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This is a big drop, and it shows that the market is going down at the time. All things considered, look at how Coco's BCX went from 77 cents to 60 cents after losing 0.77 of its value, which is a big drop. Right now, a big drop can be seen all over the crypto market. HNT Helium execution. The daily graph of Helium shows that the HNT price has been going down, with a 0.34% drop in the past 24 hours. However, contrary to what most people think, the value of the Helium HNT coin has stayed at $3.50, with a market capitalization of $423,702,611. This shows that HNT's intraday volume has stayed at 6134 for 84, which is a very critical number. HNT's price changes by 12.01 over the course of a week, while its trading volume stays around 6134 for 84 US dollars. This shows that, before we get too deep into the HNT technical analysis, we should talk about how the current economic situation is different from what most people think. Test for Helium value. HNT price analysis for 0 to 2 July 2023 was made sense of below. A pretty further look at how Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after losing 0.77 in value in a, for the most part, large way. We use genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI moving fundamentally normal union and disparity mapped backing levels opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving pretty. It is normal for EMA to look at the future of helium in a non-intrusive way, while HNT's Williams %R measure is at 69.632 for the past 14 days, showing a nonpartisan situation. A trade pretty sign is possible at this point, which is very far. The MACD line is still below the type of sign line after a mix, which goes against what most people think. Helium investors need to keep an eye on the day-to-day graph, which shows that Helium's EMA 10 clearly shows a downward pattern in a very important way, for any signs of a change in direction. RSI is in the close to oversold stage while trading at 36, and it is trying to break out of the negative zone. HNT's price changes by $12.01 over the course of a week, but the trading volume is mostly around $61.34 for 84 USD, which shows that the price hasn't changed much yet. Before getting into the HNT technical analysis, let's talk about the current economic situation. Contrary to what most people think, Helium has a break all its holds level, and things are not looking good.